the time by pressing the mode button until the Tuesday icon flashes. You can 0 the seconds by pressing the start-stop button. Use the lap reset button to cycle to the minutes and the start-stop button to change the digits. Follow these procedures for the hours, noting the P for PM, the H for 24 hours, and if you cycle through, an A for AM. Then change the date, the month, and the day. Press the mode button again to set the timer. For stopwatch, press the mode button until the Saturday, Friday, and Sunday flash. You can 0 the seconds by pressing lap reset. The start-stop button will start the stopwatch, as well as pausing it. Set the alarm, press the mode button until the Monday icon flashes. Use the start-stop button to change the hours and minutes, and the lap reset button to cycle through the hours and the minutes. To set the time, press mode. The alarm is now set. To turn off the alarm, press the lap reset button and the start-stop button at the same time. Do the same again to arm the alarm.